This is definitely not a drill, guys. In today's video, we have a semi-red red alert. Now, it's not confirmed, but it is showing, guys, on XRP. So we're going to be talking about it. But history is being made, as we can see right here. Justin, Bitcoin is about to close the biggest it just did, guys. Gain on a monthly candle in its history, right? This is more bullish than any month in the last bull market, guys. Look at that, right? This is insane stuff. $20,000 pump. We got compared with 12K, 13K, 17K over there, guys, right? So we're heading towards the final stages of the bull market, guys, because every time this happens, as you guys can see, what comes next, guys? But still, there's probably time left, right, until we see the top, the tippity top, guys, which is going to be very explosive for our bags. Why, guys? Even though we see XRP, Bitcoin dumping and whatnot a little bit, okay, so the monthly just closed, guys, right? On Bitcoin, and I'm like, wait, what about XRP though? So I triple checked XRP, guys, just in case I'm not seeing things. And on the 2-weekly, that's what I wanted to see. It just got it, guys. It just got triggered, but it's not confirmed. It's going to get confirmed in 9 days if XRP stays around these price ranges, right? If it pumps, it's going to be even more beautiful, guys, but it doesn't really need to. It just needs to hold up around these levels, right? It's going to get confirmed on the 2-weekly in 9 days. On the monthly, is going to be next, guys, right? So XRP's chart is looking very bullish in my eyes, guys, right? Indeed. Now, not to mention, this week XRP marked a 3-year low versus Ethereum, guys. Buy signal, indeed. Look at this, guys. This is insane, right? So it gets even crazier by the second. If you didn't notice, if we go to XRP Ethereum chart, guys, so there's a lot of things happening here that people are not paying attention towards. Why? So this is XRP to Ethereum ratio, guys, okay? And whenever Ethereum rises, XRP dumps, right? Whenever Ethereum is outperforming XRP, this is when we see the red candles, guys. Or whenever XRP outperforms Ethereum, that's when we see the green candles, okay? And guess what just happened? Never in its history, guys. That's insane. It's making history right now, where XRP is breaking below support, right? Because Ethereum has been outperforming it, guys, and been holding stronger than XRP has, right? But this is where it gets really interesting and beautiful. Why? Because a lot of people say, oh, XRP just broke structure, right? And XRP just went below the support range, guys. But in reality, why is this beautiful? It's because they just sweep the lows, right? That's the beautiful part, guys. Usually in trading, what happens is they sweep the highs and lows. You guys can see literally right here, right? You guys can see this high. You guys can see this high, right? But with this candle, they swept it, guys, right? Right here. And then they reversed it. But guess what? They just swept it here as well, guys, right? Which means, are they going to reverse it? So this is why I'm saying in the coming months, XRP looks very primed. And if we invert it, guys, you guys can see how they sweep the lows, right? And then they pumped it. They're sweeping the highs right here, guys. I just inverted it, and they're going to dump it, right? For XRP to rise against Ethereum, to outperform Ethereum in the next coming months, it seems as, guys. So I'm very bullish indeed, guys, right? So everything's looking quite clean here. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you guys liked today's video, I really much appreciate it. Thank you. Here's another factor to add on to that as well from Mike. When Bitcoin breaks and holds $250,000 for the first time, XRP will still be trading at 59 cents. This is simply a fact. Mark it down. Now, okay, guys, this is horrendous, right? This is a horrendous tweet. Why? Because he says this is literally a fact. No, it's not, guys. He's literally just speculating, right? First things first, speculating Bitcoin can even hit 250K here soon. Second thing, he names it Ripple. That's how you guys know we're still early, guys. And he says that XRP will still be trading at 59 cents as in a stable coin, right? How do I know this is the perfect time? If I were a market maker, guys, if I was an elite, if I was the people who are in the know, right, insiders, to pump it at this time or soon, guys, in spring, it's because all the FUD. There's not one literally good comments, guys, right, about positive about XRP or Ripple, guys. Literally nothing. That's insane, right? This is why Bitcoin maxis are toxic. But I wish I had kept my 1700 Bitcoin at 6 cents instead of selling them at 30 cents. Now they are at $8. Beware, guys, because for Bitcoin to increase to $1 million, it's a 16x. for XRP to hit that 16x, a lot less capital is needed. Do you guys see how Bitcoin is just fool's gold compared to XRP, guys? Right? Bitcoin's ROI isn't matched. It's literally non-existent, guys, right? Even though Bitcoin has been moving up, but if you compare the percentages, that's literally all that matters, guys, right? In the crypto sphere, or to make money, guys, it all depends on percentages, not really the price. So Bitcoin goes up, you need a lot more money, right? Invested to make more. But with XRP, if it goes up, you don't need as much as you do in Bitcoin, guys. Do you guys see what I mean? Now, things are going to get possibly very parabolic, right? This chart excludes Bitcoin specifically, guys, and includes everything else, right? Every other asset, such as including XRP. Look at what happened right here, guys. It's so clearly starting for crypto, and the monthly close will confirm it, right? Look at this, guys. So I'm pretty sure it just got confirmed as well, guys. Well, it had to. And we see a beautiful monthly green candle, guys, right? Look what happened each time we blasted off a parabolic run towards the upside, right? Even here, guys. Do you guys see what's about to happen next? And XRP is in the same basket, right? So XRP hopefully doesn't get left behind. Not to mention, this chart, guys, right? Let me zoom it in so you guys can see. This chart in the previous cycle should have been higher, actually, over here, guys, right? It should have been higher. It's just that XRP didn't rise in price, right? As the other coins because of the SEC case, guys. So this is why we went up to like just above $1 trillion, guys. It should have been a lot higher though, right? If XRP did pump back then. It just gets better and better by the second. Why? Because Tim Buckley to step down as CEO of $7.2 trillion asset manager Vanguard, guys. Last month, Vanguard banned all Bitcoin ETFs from their platform, right? This is beautiful because it just means he just got the call from the higher ups, guys, right? And they told him to get lost. Why? Because they want a Bitcoin spot ETF to be approved here soon from by Vanguard, right? Which they stated that, oh, Bitcoin is too volatile, we can't do that, guys, right? And now he's gone. Wow. So I'm hoping all this happens before any Black Swan event arrives, guys, right? I'm hoping they bring upon some type of ETF before, because what we want is before or after the Black Swan arrives, guys, for them to approve it, right? If it's during or around the same time, guys, that's going to be in the short term negative, but afterwards it's going to be positive when the dust settles, or beforehand, guys, right? And so basically he's out soon, guys, and we know what's going to come next, right? Is literally a Bitcoin spot ETF, which is going to be very beautiful indeed. Just adds more fuel to the fire. Why? Because there was 12x more demand for Bitcoin than what the network produced yesterday, guys. That's insane. Literally not enough Bitcoin for everyone. Again, guys, some type of parabola has been happening, right? You guys can see how it's going vertical, guys. Literally, right? Happened literally right here, vertical, sideways consolidation, vertical again, guys. Again, it's already beginning. It has already started a while back ago, right? They're literally buying so much Bitcoin, guys. This is why the ETFs are beautiful. And it gets even crazier. Why? Because, holy mother, this made my eyes water. Quote, the major wire houses haven't even turned on yet. End quote. There's so much money coming to cryptos this year that is going to print new millionaires left and right, guys. Hold on for dear life. So this is from Swan Media, okay, guys? New Bitwise CIO states, I think there's an even bigger wave coming in a few months as we start to see major wirehouses turn on. This has been Bitcoin's IPO moment, guys. This is insane, right? Wow, Bitcoin is above 60K and they're still bullish, guys, right? Actually, they're saying more money is the bigger paths of tsunami, guys, right? A flood of capital. A flood of capital will be opening up soon as well. It's going to be even bigger than what we just seen, guys. Hold on a minute. What's happening here? What?
When you look at what's been driving this price action on Bitcoin, Matt, how much of this is retail investors investing directly in Bitcoin? How much of it is the ETF? How much of it is institutions in the ETF?
Absolutely. It's a great question. We're seeing enormous.
That's interesting, guys, right? So he's basically saying, what's the difference, guys? Or is it retail driving this price action? Institutions? Who could it be?
demand for the Bitwise Bitcoin ETF and across all of these ETFs? And the answer is it's all of those categories. You're seeing retail investors come into these ETFs. You're seeing hedge funds. You're seeing RIAs or independent financial advisors. I think there's an even bigger wave coming in a few months as we start to see the major wirehouses turn on. But
wow, in a few months, guys. This is what needs to happen before the damn black swan arrives, right? Everyone gets flooded in, and it means Bitcoin will literally go, I don't know, guys, 300K, is it possible? This is insane to me. That's an insane type of price point, guys, right? Anything is possible at this point. When things go parabolic, I told you things can get parabolic. I just want 90K though, right? That's going to be very beautiful. But they're thinking even higher possibly because
in Bitcoin's IPO moment, it's in a new era of price discovery, and I think prices could go substantially higher from here.
Let's talk about where they could go in just a minute, but I just want to go back to this idea of who you think is buying these ETFs, meaning how much of this is retail versus institutions?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, when these ETFs first launch, they're not turned on at the major wirehouses, at the major institutions. So the initial demand out of the gate for any ETF, including these, is primarily retail and independent financial advisors and hedge funds. So I think that's the primary driver. That's what we're
wow, so it's retail, guys. Which means who's next? Come on, guys. That's where he's stating the flood of money, the bigger wave is incoming, a bigger tsunami, a bigger flood of capital.
Seeing, but I'll tell you, after this meeting, I'm getting on a plane to go talk to one of the largest institutional consultants in the US about this ETF. So we're going to see that next wave of institutional capital.
Oh my, guys, institutional capital, this is ridiculous. What? I'm ready, guys. And it's primed because this is where I'm telling you, XRP looks primed, right? It looks primed, guys. This is all setting up beautifully, isn't it? Wow.
You did mention hedge funds, which I will put in sort of an institutional or professional category. In terms of this big move, do you think it's that money that's pushed this, or do you think it's straight retail?
Oh, I think it's both. I think it's both. It's just new demand. If you think about Bitcoin pre the ETFs, there was only a small set of investors who could buy it. Now almost everyone can buy it, and the supply-demand dynamic is just off the hook. There are 30,000 Bitcoin purchased by ETFs this week alone. Bitcoin miners have only created less than 3,000. That's what's driving the price, and it's both hedge funds and retail and that advisor community.
And guess what, guys? The halving is coming soon as well, right? So it's going to get cut in half. That Bitcoin daily mint, guys, right? I think it's 900 per day. So it's going to be 450 in a few months, guys, which will even fuel prices higher if the institutions if the institutions are incoming, guys. Plus that happens, oh yeah, it's game over. Bitcoin's about to explode, and then everything else will have to go up with it, guys. Not financial wise, I'm actually super ready. XRP's ready as well, guys. Right here next, I'm guessing spring. Your time to shine has arrived. Not financial wise, are you ready? Let's go. What is that? So face amazingness. See ya.